How to share story on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can share story on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are two types of scenarios. One is if you're mentioned in a story, the other is if you're not mentioned. So if you're mentioned in a particular story by someone, to share that story would be very simple. You'll get a DM notification where you can just select add this to my story button, and then you'll be able to add that story directly to your story. But if you're trying to share someone else's story who have not mentioned you, you can't share them. The only thing you can do is, at the very least, you can choose to take a screenshot or maybe take a screen recording of that video, and after you have done that, just tap the your story option there, select that particular screenshot, crop it out a little bit. Then if you want, you can choose to mention that person, whoever's story that you're trying to share here, and once you have done that, you should be able to share other story. This is the only way you can do it. If you're mentioned, it will be very easy. If you're not mentioned, it's a quite tad bit difficult, or maybe not possible at all. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.